the successful YouTubers you watch every single day, you've not even seen their face. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels is one of the ways to make money smartly on the internet. You do not need to worry about your looks. You do not need to worry about any kind of expensive gear. And in this video, I will show you step by step on how to start your own faceless YouTube channel in 2025. As someone that is currently running 3 faceless channels, and we'll also be learning how to turn our faceless channel into money making machine. So without wasting any time, let's go straight into the video. When I started YouTube, I struggled with having the right camera. I struggled with having the right phone, which made me just start with any kind of phone. But the truth is, you do not need any of that when you want to start a faceless YouTube channel. And I did not know about faceless YouTube channel until last year when I started hearing about faceless YouTube channels, and I decided to dive into it. Step 1, for you to be able to start a faceless YouTube channel, you need to know one thing. The very first thing is your niche. Pick a niche. Faceless channels work well in certain niches. Make sure you do your research. There are different type of niches to dive into. I'll be making a detailed video about this, a very detailed video about this. So there are different types of niches to dive into. We have true crime, we have documentaries, we have animation, we have tutorials, we have reaction videos, we have motivation videos, top 10 list channel, top 5 list channel. Okay, we have tech explainers. A lot of niches to dive into whenever you want to start your own faceless YouTube channel. That's why I said I'll be sharing a detailed video about this particular topic, so you will understand the different niches to go into. You having a niche will actually make you know what you want to do and keep posting without getting burnt out. Now, after picking your niche, you need to know who you are creating your videos for. Know who you are creating your videos for. Check successful faceless channels in that particular niche you are going into. That niche you are going into, check successful faceless channels in that niche. Know how they are doing things. You do not just want to dive into one particular business without even knowing the industry you are going into. Understand this business. It is a business. YouTube is a business. Understand this business. Understand these channels. Know how they run things. If possible, watch tons of their video. It's not a must for you to create your videos like them, but just have an idea. So please study the industry you are going into. It is really important. Now you've picked the niche, you've understand your audience. Now create your channel. Set up your channel properly. Create your YouTube logo, create your YouTube banner. Because you see those things, your logo, your banner, and your channel description, it tells viewers what your channel is all about. Number 4 is script. You need to write engaging script. You need to write engaging script. This is the best time for you to make use of AI. Now, we have ChatGPT, we have Cloud AI. Make use of these AI tools to generate scripts. Now, go there and tell it the faceless channel you want to start. Tell it to give you 10 video ideas pertaining to this faceless channel. For you to create voiceovers, you need 11 Labs or TTS Maker. I made a video on 7 free AI tools you can use to start your own faceless channel. I'll leave the link in the description. The video outlines different types of free AI tools you can use to start your own faceless YouTube channel this year. Number 5 is video creation. Depending on your niche, if you are doing top 5 funny baby moments, you know you will need videos, not images. So for you to get this video, you need to go on TikTok, on Instagram to get these videos. And when getting these videos, you need to remove the watermark. You remove the watermarks, you have your videos, and you are ready to post. So keep your videos visually engaging. Use text on screen, use background sound, use YouTube background sounds, SEO and titles. And most importantly, when creating your thumbnail, please make that thumbnail very attractive, and by looking at the thumbnail, they should understand what is in the video to watch. Create strong and appealing thumbnail for your videos. It is really important. Making money from AdSense is one way people make money on YouTube. Like, AdSense is one way people make money on YouTube, but that is not the only way. You can add your affiliate links. You can make money from your affiliate links. You can make money from sponsorship. You can make money from digital products. Once you get to that watch hour and 1,000 subscribers before you start making money on YouTube, you can create a digital product, talk about it, put the link out, and make sales from that product. There are different ways to make money without hitting your threshold. Step number 8 is consistency and growth. Upload consistently, at least once a week for a beginner. Once, 2 times, 3 times a week. for a beginner. Or if you want to really be consistent, you can start a consistency challenge. We've seen people do 30 days consistency challenge, 15 days consistency challenge, 90 days consistency challenge, not because they want it, but because they want to achieve a particular goal. They want to be consistent. You can start a consistency challenge. That is if you know you can do it. People grow fast posting consistently, and it's something you can do. Trust me, it's something you can do. It's not really that deep. Which videos got more impression? Which videos got more like? Study your analytics and improve as you go. Trust me, YouTube rewards creators that improve their content. Pick your niche, research your audience, build your brand, create content consistently, and monetize smartly. If this video gave you value, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to other people. And comment below what niche you want to try, because that's the next video I'll be putting out on this particular topic of faceless channels. So till we see again in the next video, stay blessed.